Good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you're watching from. Please, if you are joining me as you come in, please like the video. Okay, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It is very, very important you do, because we want to build the platform to maximum. Do help me on it by liking the video, subscribe. If you are watching from Facebook, please follow me on Facebook as well, like the video and share it to many groups of your choice. Okay, we are here this morning, this afternoon, this evening, depending on time, just to do the needful. All right. The information reaching us is from Biafran Liberation Army. They are, hi, Armstrong. How are you guys? Good morning to you all. I see you, Abon Ifai. I see you, my brother. How are you guys? Please like the video, click on the like button. So the Biafran Liberation Army, managed to capture one of the people they are often used to accuse PM. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị na ụbọchị niile bụ nke onye ozi, one day bụ nke onye wụ ụlọ. It happened that this guy were being captured. All right, I'm not going to show you the video because the people that own the platform will flag it. So I will do my best to tell you what happened. Maybe I will also play the video so you can hear the voice and the confession from these people. But I want to say something. That's what pushed me, to start this broadcast. Actually, it was not planned, but I have to do it immediately because for all this while, they have been accusing PM. Erin, I see you. Greeting to you, Kai. Thank for your good work. Share and hit like button. Thank you, my sister. Bufo Biafra said, greeting from here. Greetings to you, my dear. Nice to have you guys this morning. So they always want to use every negative thing that happen, but even very soon they will start telling you that the PM is the problem, that the Cameroon is fighting Ambazonian. All right, everything that happened in our place in the Biafran land, especially in Igbo land, they will tell you that PM is responsible. They want to tag everything to him. He is the problem. That the road is not working, he is the problem. That NEPA always take light. There's no constant power supply. PM is the problem. That politicians don't keep their promises. PM is the problem. That some family are having domestic violence. PM is the problem. That food item is costly in Nigeria. In fact, even the rise of dollar rates of issue, that the rise of dollar and all that, we know what happened. He is the problem. That's what they want you to believe. Now, Biafran Liberation Army captures one of the people that taking people on hostage and demanding ransom. And this person, behold, confessed that Chinasa Nworu is their Oga. That's not the old video that we used to see. This is what happened. This video is being published by PM. Just let me quote him right. Let me go to the platform to bring it to you, because most of you may think that it's an old video like the one that has confessed before. No. Now, okay, 15 minutes ago, PM posted this one 15 minutes ago. I'm going to share them with you. All right, I'm going to share it with you. So we just want to say it where it is. We have to say it where it is. Many people don't understand what is happening in our land. And the annoying part of it is that some of us that come from that part of the country, Biafrans I'm talking about, you know that you have been told that this kind of thing is happening in our land, but you don't care to find out if that thing that is happening that is not good, that all of us agree that is not good, where it's coming from. And the agenda of people, sometimes people that always shout ole 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 ole. If you live in Lagos, you understand what ole means. That's oyoshi oyoshi oyoshi. If people that shout like that sometimes are actually the criminal. And that's what we're playing out here. This infiltrator, like the trending lady, the lady that is trending since yesterday, used to say, infiltrator, parasite, and all that. Her issue, we are still monitoring her, waiting to, confirm some few things before we can talk about her. But those people that are following that kind of negative analysis and trying to make things that is not in existence to look like it is real, trying to blackmail the innocent, try to buy the favor of Biafrans just to support criminality. They are the one actually behind the insecurity and the problem with the help of governors. And in this case, I am beginning to suspect every Eastern governors. Yes, Hope of the Mascon has been established that he is, of course, the of them all. He is the number one. Godwin, I see you. Good morning to you. Nice to have you this hour. You said good morning, brother. More strength for your work, for your good work. Thank you, Ikech Kujur. I say you good morning to you all. Nice to have you guys this morning. We are here to react and to bring to you the update of what is going on. That kidnapping. Oh, you are buying our soldier. Now I begin to suspect the people crying that, oh, you are buying Nigerian security forces. Maybe some of these people that we think that they are Nigerian army may not even be 100% Nigerian army. Maybe they recruit those ones dancing in the market. Maybe they are from this group of people that have, because the guy that is confessing is also in military uniform. He's also he's wearing a Nigerian khaki, army camouflage uniform and all that. Maybe with dead, because if not, why are they the one crying even more harder? And Nigerian army, of course, crying as well. Or maybe they are all working together, because this person here, maybe they will soon come out to tell you that it's a propaganda that. They don't know this person. Of course, they will deny it. Of course, they will deny. He denied the first person. This person, of course, I expect him to deny as well. But we all know what is going on. Even your activities and your body language have, proven that you are doing that kind of thing. You are fighting for Biafra. You claim that you are working for you are going in the same line with Biafrans and Masinamorukan. Yet, when somebody who's supposed to be your colleague is telling you, look at what you need to do, and it is very, very proven that thing is actually what people want. In fact, that is what you should be. Not to buy people. What I mean is to sit at home. Okay? Sit at home, like civil disobedience that has nothing to do with violence. And they fought it with every strength in them. That is where, to me, I begin to suspect everything. If you open your mouth and say that sit at home is causing economic problem in Southeast, if I sit at home is bringing, inspiring our people, some of them have said that without any evidence, without telling us how does this spy people, how does it contribute to kidnapping issue? What is this has to do with problem, insecurity, kidnapping, raping, and others? What our people are facing. How does it concern them? How is it related to that? They will not answer anything, but they keep on shouting the same thing over and over and over and over again. Now we are going straight to. I'm going to read from the post that PM have made. Okay, and he said, "This is the IPOB Nigeria criminals. The Chinasa, Nworu, and Chikedozemo will send to go and kidnap people, okay, on the highway, and they will come to Radio Biafra to shout Samanekpa is a kidnapper. The same thing Hope Uzodinma used the Eze of Oweri Berry to do, and today they captured him, and Hope did not hope did not save him. He is now in Abuja for serious kidnapping crime. Today I will be on space to create awareness. Okay, so you can hear that from PM. I will go to comment section, but before then, let me bring to you some posts from other people like Biafrans. All right, I'm talking about genuine Biafrans in the word of our sister Diana. He always said that he always specify the types of brand that she want to greet. So Odogu said the guy get mine, they shout men kala, but forget say na our land we dey and na land dey give us power. All gravel na water, nothing dey happen. Thank God the whole world are seeing and our PM always vindicated. We go still capture many of them, make them no run after seeing this. Like I said, every day is for the thief, one day is for the owner. All this criminal, kidnapping. Look at it today. Look at it today. Now listen to what the guy has to say. The man in question, like I said, I would have loved to flip the camera so that you can see him, you know. But unfortunately, the people that own the platform will be your guy. Listen. Who be your guy? Who? Chinasa Nworu. Chinasa Nworu. Who be Chinasa Nworu? DOS na DOS. Who send you? Who send you? Scorpion Corner. Scorpion Corner. Yes. That man from his organ, I suppose. No, that man. DOS. Yes. Which one be DOS? Who? Director of State. Director of State. Yes. Who be the Oga there? Chinasa Nworu na mbi ona Oga. Yes. Wetin in send on Amoko na come do for here in Okigwe? On a day 11. Yes. Where others dey? Abreba. Yes. Which place now they operate? Wetin they send you make you come do here? Talk before you go. I will go kill you. Talk wetin you come carry this gun come do for here. Make you untie your hand. Say wetin happen. Now they shoot all these things. They cause problem. They kill innocent people. They untie his hand. We do 11. You give us 1.1 million, 100,000. Which person? 100,000. Because of 100,000. Is it Nachi? Yes. For inside Okigwe. Inside Okigwe. So now they shoot all these things. They cause all this insecurity for Okigwe, Abi. Huh? If you talk through, we go leave you. If you talk through, call all these people who send you. We'll leave you. So this one what happened yesterday. Now you and your group, Abi. We are special squad of our group. Special squad. Yes, we call them SF. SF. Yes, search and flush. On a special squad. Yes. On a they call them SF. SF. They carry black pillars come. They don't come express. Okigwe Express yesterday. That's one of the confession. From the people that Chinasa Nworu, according to the guy, said, he is the one that sent them, and the guy after torture is now telling them the truth that this is what they are doing and the agenda they have. So I would like to bring to you this. Just hold on, please. Just hold on. Because all these things that you are seeing today is what some of us already know. But it is always good that you gather the evidence. It is always good that you stand on the part of the truth, just to make sure that everything is were explained. Now, the DOS or Chinasa Nworu have responded to this. Of course, he will not hesitate to reply. I know he can deny anything, even when it is very, very clear. Now, let me read to you what he said. Just trying to have a sleep this morning, I came across a video of the Beremas acting one skit with my name and that of DOS, one of their criminal gang who was rolling on the floor reciting a poor script, written by one of them. I have told Biafrans that these guys are content creators. Unfortunately, this skit was just poorly acted. They would have asked us to send them some professional directors from Nollywood or even from Hollywood or from Nollywood right there in Biafran land. Oh, so you talking about that you act better than this, right? Which means you know how to act. You see, when they want to defend, even anything they want to say, they're actually exposing themselves. You are not telling people that this is poorly acted. Okay, then you now wait for that to say they should have asked to send somebody that will direct the acting very, very well, like to make it look like real. But there's nothing acting here. There's nothing acting here. I'm telling you gospel truth. Now, they would have asked us to send, okay, the actor that was rolling on the ground kept a clean, kept a clean, polished AK-47 beside him. Even the rope they claimed they tied on his hand later cut off. What a poor skit. As days goes by, these criminals are becoming desperate on how to clean off the evil they committed in Oro and another part of Biafra land. And they knew their game is over. They should know that they can never go free. Even those they packed some stolen cars, even those they packed some, so I don't want to understand this grammar, even those they packed, I don't know, so packed some stolen cars within them, even those packed stolen cars, but instead of him to say even those packed stolen cars, he put there, will all be cut off. Every record is there, and all these criminals are detailed. This is just it's just like a Joffo trying to defend himself. They all have similar way of making up, trying to do damage control. It doesn't mean anything at all. Your image and that of DOS, and I said to them, nothing can stop us from restoring Biafra, respective of any garbage thrown at us. All hail Biafra. This is how he put it. But for you to respond quickly and all those things simply means you are you are panicking, to be honest with you. And Chinasa Woshi Okigwe State will fight you and hold you to stand still. That's the comment from a Biafran. Now, there's other things that I want to share with us. Let me bring it forward. There's other things I want to share with us about this. Okay, just hear what Ejiofor said in the past. I want you to just listen to this.
Themselves. I immediately issued a rejoinder on 16th of March 2023, detailing the activities of Simon and group and graduates, and also pointing to the fact that IPOB as a peaceful movement have distanced themselves
Okay, before then, I have a comment that I need to attend. This is I should Mustafa say, please, brother, help now. I don't have money to buy food for my children. Okay, I thought you are talking. You are here for the program. This is just the beginning. Ike Chukwujudu said, and Okechukwu Frank said, "Good morning to you, my dear brother. Good morning to you, my dear. Nice to have you. Nice to hear from you." Okay, listen to Ejiofor. Listen to Ejiofor.
I nearly issued a rejoinder on 16th of March 2023, detailing the activities of Simon F. and Group and criminals, and also pointing to the fact that IPOB as a peaceful global movement have distanced themselves.
I newly issued a rejoinder detailing the details of Simon Ekpa, and also listen. That's the part of that part is very interesting.
And also volunteer themselves in gross publication.
That IPOB have also, denounced and distanced themselves from the activities of Simon Ekpa. Then they are also volunteer. That part is where everything, explode.
Also volunteer to assist the security agents in fishing out these criminal elements.
Imagine that. That is to tell you that this guy don't even believe in anything freedom. And he is the one that pushed these people to start doing what they're doing. Because to him, that's the best way to, disrupt the effort of Mazen Namadakan all this while. And normally I don't like to mention or to go deep about, this man, or to tell you to discuss about his ordeal, but somehow we have to touch it a little bit, especially when evidence like what we have just showed you now surface. That one of the people that are kidnapping in Southeast have come out to confess. Not one. Imagine every now and then they have this kind of people. First of all was the one Nigerian, this one is Biafran Liberation Army. Captured this one. The other one was Nigerian security agent. Like I think that was army. Is that an army or was it army or DSS? The first guy they were captured, previously that confessed. But one thing is this: if Nigerian army or Nigerian security forces happen to lay their hands on these guys' gangs, immediately they mention that he's from Chinasa, Nworu, and DOS, they will, soften the penalty and everything. And before you know it, that guy will stay. You see it, moving freely. But if other Biafrans fall to the same trap, is either they fire that person or that person will be in jail indefinitely. It's not about they are going for his court case. No. If anybody that these people manage to capture, maybe you were holding Biafran flag or anything as such about Biafra, they will come after you. They will torture you like tomorrow no day. Then at end, they will not release you, and nobody will hear about the person anymore, because you did not mention that you are working for DOS. Just tell them that if you want to know what I'm talking about, anybody that falls in their hands, let them know that you are not working for, maybe you don't support this. You are Chinasa Nworu's guys. They will leave you, because all of them are the same group. All of them are the same group, and nobody expecting us to come out publicly to say, "No, I am the one. This is our guy. We need They don't accept responsibilities. They don't want to claim any responsibility of their own mess. They don't do that. They are talking about PM is discussing that you are. Why are you a government? How dare you to tell police to stop to move out from checkpoints? Some of them are against checkpoints, just like they are against posts that PM made about the activities of Nigerian army on Biafrans, how they torture Biafrans, how they buy Biafrans, everything they have committed in our land in the name of operation this, operation that, in the name of making sure that they stop Biafran agitator, in the name of they want to make sure that you don't have anything Biafra in you. They're spying on armed civilians, not one, not two, not three, in almost every state in Biafra land. They have done that. The videos are there. But when PM posts that to prove to the world, for them to see what even Amnesty International have, condemned the activities on Biafrans, these people, DOS and their group, with Ifa Ejiofor, will do everything necessary to play down on that, to even condemn the post that PM made by telling the world, look at what the activities of the Nigerian army and what they have done to our people and all that. That is to tell you that they are part and parcel of what our people are going through. If not, why would you be angry with that kind of post? Here, Ejiofor is telling you that not that Nigerian army have, imposed this law on them, you must help us to get this, your people. No. They themselves go to them willingly and tell them, give them strategies on how to capture their own. Why do they have that strategy? Why do they know the secret on how to capture Biafrans? Because they have lured and made people to believe in the past that we are all one, we are working together, we need to. So they believe they know the plans and the existence and the move is, of other Biafrans and the activities. So they think they know the way on how to make sure they capture them. He said it here that we have volunteered. Do you understand it? We volunteered, ourselves to help them, help security agencies. Now it's not most you. It's not security agency. This guy is one of the worst things that happened to IPOB. I mean, one of the worst things, because people believed him so well that everything about IPOB was made publicly to him. Those that are not supposed to make, he's not, some of them are not, he's not supposed to know those things. But because of our, Biafrans, love that we are one, our brother, and all that, they exposed themselves to this guy, and he utilized that opportunity to destroy everything that Biafran have worked for years. He crushed that in just in a minute. If not that God intervened through the help of Mansa Monepa to use the remnant, they use the little chances, the few surviving options, like those ones that he have not destroyed, few of options that left, he used that to move forward. PMU picked on those things, something like platform where he can tell the Biafran what is going on, and that if not that PM have managed to build his platform before the kidnappers land of Ghana, it would have been worse, because they themselves understand the importance of that platform. That was why they told him, before we allow you to broadcast on the Biafra, you have to give us your platform, so that they will shut it down for you to even tell Biafra what you know, and what to say, what the way forward will be more difficult. We saw how long it took PM to come out with what is it called? Enter Biafra. So if not, everybody would have been, you just remain dormant like that without knowing what is going on, and they will use that opportunity to blackmail PM, to talk nonsense, to talk down on him, to convince people to focus on them more. Do you understand? Thank God PM wisely refused to hand it over. That is what saved Biafrans from that angle. Now let's listen to him again.
Official this criminal elements, publication, and also volunteer to assist the security agents in fishing out these criminal elements.
Let me start from the beginning. I'm not going to interrupt anymore.
I immediately issued a rejoinder on 16th of March 2023, detailing the activities of Simon and Group and criminal groups, and also pointing to the fact that IPOB as a peaceful global movement have distanced themselves in various publication, and also volunteer to assist the security agents in fishing out these criminal elements. These are not that IPOB as a peaceful global movement have distanced themselves in various publication, and also volunteer to assist the security agents in fishing out these criminal elements. These are not. I immediately issued a rejoinder on 16th.
So that is it. And The guy confession is what we are about to. I will play it again before we move to another thing that I want to share with us in this library before we come to an end. So here is the guy confession with Biafran Liberation Army.
Who be your guy? Who? Chinasa Nworu. Chinasa Nworu. Which one? Who be Chinasa Nworu? DOS na DOS. The other.
Just hold on.
Who be your guy? Who? Chinasa Nworu. Chinasa Nworu. Which one? Who be Chinasa Nworu? DOS na DOS. The other DOS. Who send you? Who send you? Scorpion Corner. That man from his organ, I suppose. No, that man. DOS. Yes. Which one be DOS? Who? Director of State. Who be the Oga there? Chinasa Nworu na mbia ona Oga. Yes. Wetin in send na moko na come do for here in Okigwe? On a day 11. Yes. Where others dey? Abreba. Yes. Which place you now they operate? Wetin they send you make you come do here? Talk before you go. I will go kill you. Talk wetin you come carry this gun come do for here. Make you untie your hand. Say wetin happen. Now they shoot all these things. They cause problem. They kill innocent people. We say you wait to us. What is stress? We do 11. You give us 1.1 million, 100,000. Each person 5 days in Nachi. Is it Nachi? Yes. For inside Okigwe. Inside Okigwe. So now they shoot all these things. They cause all this insecurity for Okigwe, Abi. Huh? If you talk through, we go leave you. If you talk through, call all these people who send you. So this one what happened yesterday. Now you and your group, Abi. We are special squad for our group. Special squad. Yes, we call them SF. SF. Yes, search and flush. On a special squad. Yes. On a they call them SF. SF. They carry black pillars come. They don't come express. Okigwe Express yesterday.
So that is it. That is what the guy has to say about the whole thing, and it did not stop there. Let me bring this one. This one is not a confession, but just hear this.
So we was order when we are patrol at the airport. When we start.
Can you hear what they're saying? I don't know if the volume is audible enough. Please can you someone confirm?
And also, how did you think that? When we see the UFO, we back to UFO and then after just in there, shot me.
Can you hear what they're saying?
So I have to come now and thank you, show me hand. Show me what you hear. Shot me. That's how he was our commander Infiltrators. I was. And what they said that our leader sent me for the job. Only because that is where we started getting media that is selling this one. Our leader, POS, which we know as Chinasa, who brought the first money was this AD work water, about 20,000. Give it to India, our partner companies. India is in love.
This one, they tie his two legs, so he can't. They chain his two legs. He can't even run. Anyway, according to BM, he said more. Look at more of them. More of the video with offense also. He said the IPOB Nigerian Kidnap Limited, the Biafran Defense Forces, has ended their criminality and they are crying. Anyway, let's move to another thing. I don't know. This one may be. Is it the same? I think this one is 29 minutes. 2 minutes 19 seconds. Whereas the other one is how many minutes? I just want to bring the complete video so that it will not be half information that I'm bringing out. I believe that some of you, I believe that the voice you guys can hear what okay, yeah, it's the same video. Okay, now let's move to some of us. In fact, all of us have seen the video of one Oduduwa lady that declared the Oduduwa nation a few days ago. And Nigerian Army, some of the Oduduwa guys that were in support of that went to Secretariat somewhere in Oyo State to take over the government facilities and all that, which they ended up engaging Nigerian security force, on a catapult battle. And after that, they apprehend most of them and capture most of their materials and their vehicle. So Oyo State government went to the house of this lady in Oyo because that lady lives in UK. And what they did to her house, you will be shocked. Remember the journalist from what name of this guy is it Elufai or whatever they called him in Arise TV, telling Nigerian federal government to make sure they repatriate her back home to face justice, to be tried and face treason offense, treason felony or whatever they call that, trying to push government to go after her to bring her forcefully back to Nigeria to be tried in court and make sure they profile her of treason, what they call it, treason felony. If I don't know if that's what they call that. They did not wait to even obtain their judgment from court of law. They now take the law into their own hands and went to the woman's house and did damages. They have done a lot of nonsense on her house. The Biafran Prime Minister have reacted to that. He said, breaking the lawless of Nigerian terrorist state, the same criminals will say they want to bring her to Nigeria to face justice. When they have already sentenced her to death by their actions. Or your government demolish Onitiri Abiola's residence. Very big mansion, okay, and they demolish that. So let me flip the camera. I hope the people that own the platform will not find this one problem. So I'm not preaching violence. Please allow the video. This is her residence. This is her house. And the government of Oyo State went there. So for you to know, hold on. For you to know that all these governors are the same. because because all of them operate in one system, a system that don't have rule of law, where a governor will just wake up and showcase his anger without any trial, without any evidence, nothing. That she did a broadcast that does not even scratch Nigerian government or anything at all is the reason why they went to demolish her. Then they will still turn around and tell you that she's a citizen of Nigeria. Not as if they destroyed the building that belonged to a foreigner. They still want her to be part of the country. Yet the properties that she have in the country, they destroyed it as if she's leaving the country. That's a black people for you. Always going backward. Always backward. Always backward. Tell me, what does this has to do with? Okay, are you trying to tell the world that she's not right for asking for freedom? Now that you have destroyed her house, it simply means that she knows what you guys are capable of doing. So, in other words, she's right that she needs to leave the country. She wants to have her own country. So what they have done to her house is a proof that she's right. And this is what is going on. Anybody that they find that person, you know, uh, different having different agenda from what they have, it is always like that. They will always use one system, one mechanism to punish the person, just like what they did to Biafrans after the war and during the war. So, guys, that is all I have for you this moment. We are going to be live again later, if possible. We are going to be live because PM will have a program on Twitter. I forgot to check the date. Let me see if I can find that date. So it depends on how that program goes. If they finish on time, we will come back here. But if not, we will we may have our normal late hour broadcasts. So that one, I think that one is assured. I will be live later on. But if I see any chance of coming back to you within the day or towards evening time, I will. Okay. In case you have forgotten, because I just stumbled on the old video of the one that
Tell us, when did
Nigerian
this come?
government captured that confessed about Chinasa. So now I will show you this one. There's no need to hide the.
Tell us, when did this come? Our cab is there for backup at police station. How long has this?
The people interviewing this guy now is Nigerian security forces, not Biafran Liberation Army. So they capture. You can see Nigerian media, AIT, NTA, Channels TV. Probably this one is like a rise news, and this one could maybe Silverbird and other. So now let me take it back so that you can hear. So that for Chinasa Nworu saying that they acted it. So Nigerian government also acted this one too.
Tell us, when did this come? Our cab is there for backup at police station. How long has this? 6 or 7 months. We don't have any cab now. Right. Because of my wrong. Police they find me. Okay, that easy now. The way they kill that time. Your bed full now. How old are you? Yes, now my name will go on. The person will shoot the head and a free man. Free man with the sky and the number 1. Who is that? Chinasa Nworu. Chinasa. From where? Where is from? That blood. Where are you from? Where are you from? No, Chinasa. Chinasa. I don't know as a US commander. US commander for what? From ESL. So how long has this been sponsoring you guys? Getting to 2 years now. Him and who? Him with the foreign. To carry out activities in Imo State. Sir? To carry out activities in Imo State. He sponsors the people to carry out. Yes, sir. So which other people where they follow Chinasa as a sponsor? The only okay foreign with the Chinasa where they sponsor our blood. The other man for village, yeah, now later this. I want
Freeman, do you want to join us in the program before we end the program? If you want to join us, you can call. Freeman, oh my goodness. Okay, you can call in. You can call. You have the number already, so there's no need for me to. Say he's not my own Freeman. No, not your own, my brother. God forbid. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere ndị alụmanụ igbuje mmadụ ịtọ nọ na-akpọrọ ozu na-akpa na ọbịa n'ogbu mmadụ bụ ike go. Okay, the phone is on, my brother. You can come in. The way you quickly denounce the something is funny. Every man. You can go. Freeman, so if you are free, you can join me because I'm about to close the program. Okay, Freeman, I think you are busy. So we are going to end the program now. We're going to end the program now. We'll be live again, like I said, depending on when PM finish how long the Twitter Space program will last. Okay. Hello, my brother.
Yeah, hello. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Live television.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, it's me, Freeman. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you very, very loud. Very, very loud.
Yeah, good morning, Biafrans. Good afternoon, Biafrans, and good night, Biafrans, where you are watching from or where you're listening from. Well, I just jumped in. Not my own Freeman, no, you know. You know this.
Well, I'm surprised when you, but it's good though because you never can tell. It's good that the way you
yes. Yes, you know, because many people have been calling me when this video came out newly, you know, Freeman, we saw Freeman say, oh, no, that's not my own Freeman, no, you know, it's Chinasa and Nworu boys, you know, those, you can see there is one video I watched through Adadiorama, you know, this, Ula Haya.
Kendo.
Ohaneze, so there's one man there, he was saying that yes, that Ohaneze, they behind IPOB, whatever IPOB is doing, that they behind them, you know, and they are undo to Chinasa and go. So whatever they are doing, they really know what is going on, you know, what is going on. But the only thing is this. They were surprised to see Obatobie. Had the surprise. Okay, imagine when Uchechi yesterday. We saw her at the Carol White office, but we didn't see her at the court. Because already she has no face. She has no face to stand Mazin Amdekano. Yes, because
my brother, the annoying part is that she did not go there that yesterday. That video was a day before that court case. You understand?
Imagine.
So, but Carol White in question refused to publish that in the very day they took that picture. Why did he wait until the day of the court case? He decided to publish it just for him to it kind of demoralized the minds of Biafran jubilating or anything. You know, when you see
yes,
this kind of joy in the atmosphere, so you want to use it to provoke everybody, but or to give DOS a kind of their own joy, because they drive joy in this in anything negativity. The lady in question, I don't want to. I have told us that I don't want to discuss more about her. We are like me.
Okay.
I want to wait until PM comment on that, because I want to wait for Biafran government to give give green light about her matter. You understand? So I don't want to be all that. I don't want to be all that. I don't want to be in a rush.
Faster than our shadow. Yeah, I understand. You know, but people like we, sorry to cut you short again. But people like we, who is behind the screen, we can't stop unless when we come to the screen, we won't say the way we want to say it. But behind the screen, we will be telling people how we feel about it, because it's not. I mean, it's abnormal. It's not normal to our scene. You understand me? But why is this, my brother?
Every sensible Biafran and every reasonable human being understand that whatever she's doing or her activities all this while does not make any sense. But at all. There's a reason why PM. Let us ask ourselves this question: why is it that PM don't even talk much about her? To me, in my own little I feel like PM don't want to be fast, you know, because this is a wife of Masnamna Mordecai. You understand?
Exactly.
Talking bad about her now somehow will affect Oyendu. It may look disrespectful. Do you understand?
Yes. I know. Yeah. That's what I say. And even PM has said this long time that he don't want to attack Uche. Even when Nelly was eager to bring her down initially, Onyendu refused. Even this Carol White, this lawyer, I remember when everybody's attacking this guy, but Simon Ekpa refused. He even warned everybody not to go close to this guy, because this is Nnamdi Kanu lawyer, that if you go contrary to what he's doing, that he might and just see what he's doing now, you know. But now we know who this fucking guy is. Listen, and again, I saw a news that they arrested this stupid idiot Cubana, whatever. Very soon, they will still arrest Jofo, because he is among them throwing money, you know, abusing money. We are looking for money for struggle. Why they are spreading money on the air? I mean, I don't. Anyway, sorry, I just chip in this stupid boy matter, because this is not a matter that we have to talk about. You know.
You are talking about Cubana chief priest, right?
Yes.
You know, those ones are opportunists, and I don't waste my time to talk about Kumachi.
I know.
He's just enjoying his connection with the politicians and all that. So that one is different from what we are discussing. The issue at hand, one thing I want us to understand is this: PM is a very intelligent human being, very smart. You know,
of course,
he's this kind of person that when you be provoking him, but he will look left and right before he reply you. He don't reply people out of emotion. Do you understand what I mean?
The mother say, which kind go draw you there? Now you know more you say, the guy now the guy now this boy is at the now back click here. So the guy, as you're saying, what you said made me to remember this.
No, PM don't reply you because of for replying sake. No. If you were to reply you because of just if you want to talk like those guys, like what Gadak is doing now, you know, talking nonsense. If you want to reply them, he not that he don't have the time, but there's no point wasting time on. So I understand. Which he own is just like one of them. You know, if she's
just like one of them.
She claims that she's smart, she's this, she's that. We shall see. I'm not I'm not calling for anything violence on her, but let the referee knows who is actually fighting for them.
Exactly. Just like this guy you mentioned his name now, Gaddafi. You know, I noticed one thing. Look, if you go contrary to Biafra struggle, and Biafra will leave you, and whenever Biafra leaves you, Biafra have forgotten about you. You know this guy, even myself, way day into, I don't forget Gaddafi. I don't forget I'm saying person like Gaddafi exists. You know, the reason is this guy, he knew that nobody is talking about him again, nobody's remembering him again. That's why he tried to come up with some stupid all this blah 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 so that people will remember Gaddafi. Just like Nelly, nobody's talking about Nelly again. Just like Emeka Livingstone, nobody's talking about them again. You know what I mean? So when you stupidly miss your track, we will lead you inside the Zambiza forest.
My brother, mmiri na-atụ mmadụ ugboro ịtọ before oli onye ahụ. You know that?
Yes.
Ọtụọ gị the first one. His struggle kwuru ikwe ọtụchie gị nke bụ ọtụọ nke ịtọ. Ọtụọ mmiri tụ ha na mmadụ nke ịtọ onye ahụ awụjuo n'afọ ya. So ọ bụ ebe ndị okenye nọ ha fụ na mmiri atọ na mmadụ first one, third second one, amaghị ka ọtụọ gị tọtụ na rush I rescue the person. You want that? So Gaddafi, the first one, all that na kids. Okunigo kita.
Yes.
O ga adakwa nke Igbo na. You know what that?
Yes.
The next one okay Kunizi goes bye bye. Imana
goes bye bye final.
People don't understand that for you to fight truth is one of the most difficult.
Yes.
One of the most
exactly just.
You understand?
I swear, just like one thing when IPOB always saying, he say, don't fight the grace because grace go disgrace you.
Yeah. So you don't do that. Every reasonable person, like you see, Imam Mezu, and the barrister, barrister Imam Mezu, and Dr. Ivan Co. They are smarter than these people. They are working behind the scene now. In our water. But they did not come out to show how shall I say how careless they can be. They noticed that they cannot cope with the system anymore. They decided to go back and front other people. Once they messed up, they don't come out often to do that kind of thing that Gaddafi and other people are doing now, like Ken and Co. You know that you know that you have different agenda from what people actually want and from what Biafran actually mean. The best thing you need to do is to step aside, keep quiet, allow the whole thing to play out the way it should be, naturally.
Exactly.
So that it is easier for Biafran to identify what is going on because they stand on the path of the truth. They know who is they know who is for them. Like me, man, I have not chat or talked to PM or anybody in Biafran government in SI. But I can see that what they're doing is what Biafran needs. Like even why we normally come to your program 247 because you are just saying exactly what we want to hear, my brother. Exactly. At least we are not kids now. Only know at least only know from 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Going. And what's on your woman? You got to go. So only like studio just if only one person watching or if you would like to go out there. Many people now your guy never show. That very soon the guy will come up. You got to go somewhere when good information and good information in short. That is it. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you, brother. Yeah.
The only thing.
Yeah, I'm happy to speak. I'm happy to speak with you. You know, today at least to come on your program. You know, because your program is one of the truth program too.
You cannot drop off to you cannot drop to actually, I want to be hearing from you like this. It's very, very nice to hear from you because we.
Thank you very much.
We don't fight anybody. We are not fighting what is not our own. And
no.
One thing, there's something I want to say before you go. You know, before Master Megano told us that for you to have Biafrans, okay, for you to have them have their support, you have to stand on the truth.
You have to stand on the truth. That is what Mazi said. Exactly.
You don't buy Biafrans with your propaganda.
No.
You don't. Yeah, you don't do that.
No, we don't do that.
Your first program, second program will work, but third one they will run away because they know what is happening.
Yes.
Yes.
Now.
Imagine that one you on a float by an above. We not make it convince. And I thank you, man.
Just like Mazi also Mazi again the on a radio rapture. Onye ndagogo kwa no yola hapo that radio na ndia razwe were go ya ha junoreba. Right up there, bro. Now, hey, the wife of our leader did a huge surprise to the lawyer, blah blah blah. While bro yesterday, now you hear 2 days ago, hiding truth, idiots. My brother, thank you very much for this your program. I'm not watch not come search your phone, can't focus. So I'm happy seeing you now, and I'm happy speaking with you. Thank you very much. Let me go back to my work. I'll still join you maybe afternoon or in the night when you're online.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is our brother. He wanted to talk the other time. I was in a haste, so I was not able to bring him. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We have comment from Owen Palace. He said, "Yes, hi. Don't say anything about fools because he is a lender, and I love him for that." I don't understand what you mean. I don't understand your comment. Yes, Biafra must come. Okay. You're one of us, but your comments seem to go offline. Good morning, brother. You are too much. Thank you. God is too much, not me, my dear. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you again later in the day, and bye-bye for now. Don't forget to click on the live video. Click on the like button. Like the video, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.